It's going to be a beautiful fall weekend here in Pinehurst and Southern Pines. And what better way to spend it than going on the annual horse farm tour that benefits Prancing Horse, the area's therapeutic riding program. Foster and I are looking forward to it. The Horse Farm Tour is this Sunday and is a self-guided, relaxing day trip visiting horse farms all over the Sandhills. Tickets are $20 in advance and $25 the day of the tour. Children under 12 are admitted free. No pets, but don't tell Foster that. The tour starts at the North Carolina State University Equine Health Center, which is at 6045 US Highway 1 North in Southern Pines. From there, you will be given a map of the 6 farms and directions to each. There will be refreshments and equine demonstrations at each farm. It starts at 11 and ends at 4. So come join Foster and I for a beautiful day in the country, seeing some of our area's most beautiful horse farms. And you'll be also donating to a great cause, Prancing Horse. See you on Sunday. Come on, Foster, let's go.